So in this first one, I'm trying to convert miles per hour to feet per second. You can see it here. So I'm going to convert miles to feet, and hours to minutes to seconds. So I do that first. So I convert feet, miles to feet. And then I convert hours to minutes, and then minutes to seconds. So when I multiply, here miles cancel out and I'm left with feet. Then I multiply again, hours cancel out and I'm left with minutes. And I multiply again, minutes cancel out and I'm left with seconds. So across the top, I'm left with 60 times 5,280 divided by 60 times 60 gives me 88 feet per second. And that's my answer. Number 2, use the conversion factor of 1 gallon is 3.75 miles, convert 15 gallons per minute to milliliters per hour. So I'm converting gallons to liters and minutes to hours. So I'm converting gallons to liters here. So when I multiply, I convert gallons to liters. So it cancels out, replace it with liters. Then I multiply again and I convert minutes to hours. So across the top, I have 15 times 3.785 times 60 liters per hour gives me 346.5 liters per hour. That's my answer there. All right, number 3, convert miles to kilometers, show all the conversion factors. So I have the conversion factors here. 1 mile is 1.61 kilometers, and 0.62 miles is 1 kilometer. So I'll multiply using both conversion rates. For the first one, I get 12.88. For the second one, I get 12.90 using different rates here. There isn't a direct relationship between kilometers and miles, so they use approximations, and they give slightly different answers. Okay, and that was number 3. Number 4, there's number 4. Select the correct conversion ratio, liters to fluid ounces. Okay. So what I can do is go to Google and just search liters to fluid ounces. And that's what I got. And that's what the answer is there. 1 liter is 33.8. Okay, for number 5, going from liters to quarts. Okay, so we can go from liters to quarts. Okay, you may not see what you're looking for. One point 1.06 quarts is 1 liter, so that one there. Okay, so let's change it and find the other one. So let's change it and find the other one. Make this one here quarts. 1 quart is 0.946 liters. And there it is. There's the other one there. So I found both my answers. That's how you end up doing it. That was number 5. Number 6. Select the two going from liters to gallons. So you can do the same thing again. Liters to gallons. One liter, 1 gallon. Let's see, 1 gallon here. 1 US gallon is how much? 3.785. Say around it, 3.79. All right. And then 1 liter is 0.264 gallons. And there's the other one there. And you select those. And then in the question 7, you're doing a conversion. Convert the measurement to the unit specified, 577 pounds, converted to kilograms. Okay. For this one here, and I use the conversion rate 1 kilogram. I use 2 conversion rates, and one of them gives me the right answer. So slightly different answer there. And this one gives me a dead on answer. Mathematically, they're both the same. Only difference is that there's slight approximation, so they won't be exact. And that's your answer for that one. And that was number 7. Number 8. Convert the measurement to the units specified. Convert pounds to kilograms. Okay, so I have both of the rates I'm going to use, and one of them will give me the right answer. So I have 1 pound here is 0.4536 kilograms, and 1 kilogram is 0.2. You get a 2.25 pounds. So I use both conversion rates, and one of them gives me the dead on answer here, and that is my correct answer. That was number 8. Number 9. 1 mile is 1.6093 kilometers, and 1 kilometer is 0.6214 miles. So I convert number 9 to kilometers. In this case here, you get one value for the number of kilometers, and another value here. And you see the correct one is there. Okay. And that was number 9. And now let's look at number 10. Convert 883 miles to kilometers. So there's my conversion rates. And I do both of them. And one of them gives me the dead on answer there. There's the conversion rates there for my equivalencies. Okay. So there's your correct answer. And that's number 10. And number 11. This one here, you have 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is 0.3937 inches. So I use both conversion rates to see which one gives me the right answer, and I see which one does here. That's my answer. That was number 11. And number 12, it is recommended that a 10 to 20 pound child should have. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. There it is. That a 10 to 20 pound child should have. 1,000 mils of fluid plus 50 mils for each kilogram of body weight over 10 kilograms per day. Okay. How many 10-ounce glasses of fluid should a 15-pound child have each day? So, okay, so for this one here, I convert kilograms. I can convert kilograms into pounds, and I get 6.802 kilograms. So the child's weight is less than 10, so that they won't need any extra. They're just going to need 1,000 because the weight, the number over 10 kilograms is 0, so they're just going to need 1,000. Okay. So how many 8-ounce glasses is that? You have to convert the mils into glasses. So 1 ounce is 29,579 mils, and 1 glass is 8 ounces. Convert mils to ounces, and then ounces to glasses. Okay. So when I do this one here, I have 1,000 divided by 29 times 8. And that gives me about 33 ounces, which comes to about 4 glasses. Okay. And that's the answer I have for that one. Okay. And let's go on to the next one here, number 13. Here's number 13. How many miles did Americans travel by car in 2010? Right here, in billions. So I wrote it out, multiplied it by a billion, and they gave me the answer. It's the population in 2010, right here, and just identify it. How many fatalities per 100,000 in 2010? Fatalities per 100,000 in 2010, right here, identify it. How many deaths per million people? So we know the number of deaths per 100,000. Find the number of deaths per million, set up a proportion and divide. And you get 106.7. That's what I have here. And last one there. If you divide the total number of deaths in 2010 by the population, you have the number. you have the proportion of number of depth, a rate of number of depths per person, and that's what I did here. The deaths, the population gives me the number of deaths per person. That's the rate in 2010, and there it is there. And that is that was number 13. Okay, let's take a look at number 14. Number 14 is another one just like it. So this one here, convert 48 feet to meters using dimensional analysis. Use 1 meter is 3.28 feet. So I have that here. And I wrote it as a fraction here. Okay. Conversion factor is here, 1 meter to 3.28 feet. And then I end up multiplying them together. By my rate conversion factor, and it gives me this fraction in meters. Okay. And when I round it, 3 significant digits, I get this value here. Okay. And that is the end of that problem.